Don't exit President Marcos because your election 2028 in New Trump, 2024 in New Korea, Canada, Taiwan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines, Australia, all over the world here for damage to me. Yes, for just 2023. Go start to the World War III because Ukraine now is World War III's longest finish. But you are next Philippines, America, China, Taiwan. This is our Asian country is damaged against your Ak and Philippines in China sees damages. You're something wrong. You are never the miss person, Philippines. America, go to the war. You are get online to me speech and debating against your politic meds because you are never and about the crisis spoke. The crisis that you. I know you are get now in disasters over the globe and call of economy and this is your politics and building projects. So what happened to your living? We have. So this is very right military first and navy. Go to war. This is my order now to nuclear bomb, to missile ballistic pasabugin ng American people, country, Philippines, Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia, Taiwan, Cambodia, Mexico, Brazil, all over the world. Because it's the right. This is very the right. I know you are a slave in your last life. You are morally to be scary. Like now is Brazil is the big flooding and malataas na baha because the Brazil people in our here to believe of the God because the evil is parody on our road, the killing the people in energy, the torture the Christ and angels. Meaning, pinapalabas nila na talo nila ang Panginoon na may likha ng earth at mga anghel sa langit doon sa mga taong act or comedy to content about the people, something like that. And another thing, so, kaya yung mga tao ngayon sa Brazil, nagkaroon ng lalakas na baha o flooding o disaster dahil sa mga gawain nilang sarili na lang nilang pinapaniwala. You know what? Ang tao nga talaga naman hanggat may hininga, may pag-asa. Kaya nga dapat ang tao pinapatay pag nag-act ng mga fight of the Lord or whatever your politics, your ministry. Kaya nga sa art, yung mga taong ganyan, pinapatay ng mayayaman kasi huwag kayo mag-act kung hindi nyo sila ka-level. Ako kalahin naman ako nag-act because I'm a starter world about my religion. I'm a miracle and it's coming to will birth to me. It's fully made. Kaya ako nagsasalita ng ganito for spooky and whatever in the others world, a spoken person because it's right. And my image and changes is not your changes. Thank you.